The private jet is a mindset. The nouveau rich travel by jet, not because they can, but because they know. By 2024, 20% private flights. The secret? It's more affordable than a first-class ticket. Forget airports, VistaJet or a private fly. That's where the clever ones book. Travel light, but never cheap. A Tumi Alpha 3 suitcase, Bose headphones, a cashmere plaid, all on Amazon. Delivered before takeoff. Privilege is optimization. The secret is direct access. Private jets break last-minute prices. Wi-Fi, silence. Made to measure food, the modern jet is a flying loft. The nouveau rich doesn't shout luxury. He wears it subtly. TVOT, cars, no crowds, just a jet and an SUV. While others queue up, you redefine vacations. No suits, just linen and $900 gadgets. Wheels up, Flyblade, the future is now. Jet polling, subscriptions, carbon offsetting. Private jets are the new norm. Check wheels up and take off differently.
Let's go.
And let's start with all-new Kindle, Paperwhite Signature Edition, the fastest Kindle with auto-adjusting front light, wireless charging and weeks of battery life. And now discover the Imperial Bliss Cozy Soft Double-Sided Fleece, Bed Blanket Luxurious Extra Large, Plush Flannel Winter Throw 4 Couch, and Bed Hotel Style Comfort. Peter has built multiple breakthroughs componges, and 0 to 1 shows how Elon Musk. This travel pillow, 100% pure memory foam neck pillow, is machine washable with luxury bag. Now watch this bestseller, Mulberry Silk Sleep Eye Mask and blindfold with elastic strap. Eco-botanic products are perfect for hotels, travel, guest rooms, vacation rentals and gym. The Stain headscarf is made of high quality, 100% polyester silk feeling fabric. This beauty is the Breitling Super Ocean Heritage to chronograph automatic blue dial men's. Great men's gifts with 6 delicious flavors. It's a really gourmet mixed nut snack box. End with this collapsible water bottles 20 ounces for travel with straw.